So if you have ever tried to scrape data from a modern website, you know the absolute nightmare of broken selectors, hidden fields, and dynamic content that just refuses to load. You spend hours and hours writing a Python script or configuring a complex scraper only for the website to change the layout very next day, and that will break everything that you have built. I just spent an entire afternoon trying to manually track competitor pricing across dozens of different product pages, clicking through tabs and expanding FAQ section just to find the actual shipping cost. Of course, it is tedious, it is prone to error, and frankly, it is a waste of your time as a business owner or as a researcher. But what if you could describe the data that you want in plain English and have an intelligent agent build the scraper for you? And that is exactly what we are looking at today with BrowserAct. So this is BrowserAct. This is an AI-powered platform that builds a tested, reusable web scraper from just a single prompt. So here in this prompt box, you can just describe the website and fields that you need, and the BrowserAct agent actually explores the live site. So it will explore the live website that you have just provided, it will verify the required fields, and it builds a reusable bot that returns structured data. There is no code to write, there is no CSS selector to hunt for, and you do not even need to install a local agent on your computer. So let's just dive into a real world scenario. So first of all, to start using BrowserAct, simply just click on the link in description, and then you can just start using BrowserAct right now. Okay, so once you're signed up, this is the interface that you'll see, and here you can just give you a prompt. In this case, I want to build a web scraper for a competitor research. I want to pull detailed pricing data from a SaaS website that uses multiple billing toggles, pricing cards, and feature tables. So I have also provided the link to this SaaS website as well. Now, usually this is a nightmare because the data changes depending on whether you select monthly or annual billing. But using this BrowserAct agent, we can build this web scraper right here inside BrowserAct. We don't have to open VS Code. We don't have to open any AI coding agent. We can directly build it right here inside BrowserAct website. So I've just entered this simple prompt, and I have asked BrowserAct to go to this particular pricing page of this particular SaaS website and then extract the plan names, the monthly price, the annual price, and top 3 features for each tier. You can see here it is a very complex pricing page, so it is not just an average or simple pricing page. So, and it has different sort of plans, so that's why I think this is going to be the best example to extract data from this pricing page. So this is our final prompt. By the way, I've just entered this one more line, which is I also need to check the FAQ section at the bottom of every section. So if there is any hidden setup fees, so I should know that too in advance. So that's it. Our prompt is ready, and now before I hit build, there are some specific settings that I need to select from here. I can select between private and standard browser mode depending on how websites handle the sessions. And I can even choose a specific regional proxy as well. Let's suppose if I'm researching a competitor in Germany or in USA, so I want my data to reflect what a local user actually sees. So in this case, I'll set this to USA. I'm based in UK, but I'll just set it to USA just to show you that you can choose any other location in the world. You can choose among all these different locations. And that's it. Now I have just pressed enter, and now BrowserAct has already started working on to develop this web scraper for us. Okay, there you go. You can see agent has just responded, and it has just built, and it has just created this overview of this project with all of these different features. So I'm happy with all these features and these details. I can simply just click on confirm, and it will start the development of this web scraper. Okay, you can see here the most interesting thing here is the process of building this web scraper. You can see this AI agent is actually visiting every single page, every single component on this pricing page, and it is analyzing the entire data that it is getting. And also you can see here it found 2 pricing JSON APIs, so it is now inspecting both of those. And similarly, you can see it is analyzing the cards as well in its front end code. So basically, before building the scraper, it has extracted this entire data. So this entire data is directly from this really complex page that if we have to do it manually, it could take literally hours, because this is really complex pricing page. So now you can see it is building a bot inside Python, and once it will be completed, that we can just run that by simply just running that Python file. And there you go. Finally, our web scraper is ready, and now I can simply just click on this run button, and I can run this web scraper right here in here. You can see, so if I just click on run, and you can see it is running this scraping live. This is the live browser on this right side, so you can see it has just opened that live browser. I'm not touching my mouse in here, so it is extracting all of that data right here in this live browser inside our browser. And there you go. You can see this is the final output that it has created. This is a result.csv file. It has automatically extracted all of the data. This task is completed like in literally just few seconds, and we got this detailed result.csv file in here. So this is basically a reusable bot. I can use it to like build other scrapers as well. I can provide it like other websites as well, and it can generate this kind of like structured results for me. This is not a messy text dump or like a simple screenshot. It is a clean structure table with plan name, monthly price, annual price, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, and FAQ mentions, and basically all of the details that I asked for. So you can see it pulled the details from FAQ section, and you can see there is no setup fee required, and you can see there is no setup fee mentioned in FAQ. So that means the prices are going to be like the final prices. So because this bot is reusable, that means if I want to run this same search for a different competitor with a similar page structure, if I want to check the same site again next week to see if the price changed, I just hit run again, and if the task required new input values like a different URL or different city for a local search, I can just swap those values without rebuilding the entire logic. Now if you compare this to the old way of doing things, the difference is literally night and day. With traditional scraping, you are basically manually inspecting elements, you are dealing with brittle XPaths and constantly maintaining scripts when a site updates. If a site uses dynamic pages or complex filters, your browser scraper usually fails. But on the other hand, BrowserAct handles those interactions automatically because the agent explores the live site, it verifies the required fields and builds the reusable bot based on your request. So with BrowserAct, you can literally get power of a professional data engineer without needing to write a single line of Python. And for those of you who use automation tools like N10 and make.com, this gets even better. So once your bot is published like mine in here, now you can connect it directly to your external flows like make.com, N10, and even Zapier as well. So what will happen by doing this? So imagine a price change on a competitor's site automatically triggering a notification in your Slack or updating a row in your Google Sheets. So basically with the power of these integrations, it turns web data into live automated feed for your business. Now looking at the results that we just generated, this can save hours of manual copy pasting and selector troubleshooting. So we have a clean structured data set ready for analysis. Whether you are in e-commerce, marketing research, or lead generation, the ability to turn a simple description into a functioning data pipeline is a massive competitive advantage. It is incredibly useful for complex data extraction. Remember that it is a specialized tool for structured data, not just a general purpose browser filler. So if you're tired of fighting with broken scrapers and manual data entry, you need to try this for yourself. Just click on the link in the description and try BrowserAct agent for your next data task. Just describe the data that you need and let AI build the bot for you. If you're a developer looking for even more control, they also have open source CLI on GitHub that gives you direct browser control for your own AI agents. So just go ahead, check it out and build your first bot and let me know in the comment section what kind of data you are going to automate using BrowserAct. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.